Creating an interactive quiz with Faabul is easy. Let's see how. First, click the Sign In button in the upper right corner. If you don't have an account yet, you can quickly create one. Next, let's create a quiz. Click the New Quiz button in the upper right corner, then choose how you want to create it. If you're using AI, simply type in your instructions. Before creating your quiz, you can choose a theme, either from pre-made templates or from a selection of color combinations. Now, you can customize your new quiz. Click on Style and choose whether to edit the entire quiz or just an individual slide. Under Background, you can select a solid color, a gradient, or even upload your own image. Then, go to the Text section to change fonts and the Buttons section to customize button styles. Once you've finished customizing your quiz, you can either host a live game or create a shareable link for anyone to access. You can also configure settings to collect names or emails and set a specific availability period for the link. After configuring the settings, you can share your quiz using a QR code or simply copy the link to send it to others.